Stockimg AI tutorial and review. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to review Stockimg AI and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Stockimg, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Stockimg AI, it is an artificial intelligence-powered design platform that enables users to generate a high-quality visual content quickly and efficiently. And the platform uses advanced AI models to create a wide range of digital assets, including logos, social media posts, book covers, product images, posters, illustrations, wallpapers, and marketing materials. In which it is designed for entrepreneurs, marketers, content creators, and businesses. Stockimg simplifies the design process by allowing users to generate a professional-looking graphics from text prompts without requiring advanced design skills. So now to create an account, you can simply click the Get Started button on the top right corner to start signing in your account. Or alternatively, you can simply click the login if you already have your own account. From here, you can sign up using your Google account or email address, but I'm going to sign up using my Google account in here. Upon signing in, you will now be able to be directed on this page, which is the dashboard of Stockimg. On the left side panel, we have here an option to navigate such as Home, History, Prompt Library, Canvas Editor, API, Enterprise, and many more. Now under Homepage, it will show you a variety of Stockimg categories that you can choose from. And you can even choose different kind. We have here images if you want to create an image, or even a video, a presentation, and many more. So all you need to do is simply select here what kind of artwork or output you want to create in here. But under all section in here, it will show you all of those kind of things that you can create, even infographic, poster, illustration, thumbnail, and many more. Now aside from that, you can even navigate the prompt library in Stockimg AI, in which it serves as the collection of pre-written and community-tested prompts that help users generate a high-quality AI images more effectively. It will show you some of the result in here. So if you want to have this kind of result or output, you can simply click any of those. Moving on, you can even navigate the Canvas editor on the left side panel, in which it is a built-in design workspace that allows user to edit, customize, and refine an AI-generated images and graphics. So you can simply choose here again a right prompt for you if you want to create anything, and even choose here, for example, I'm going to choose this one. You can even choose the kind of model that you prefer. A dimension in here is square, vertical, or horizontal, and even the pieces. Once done, just click generate button to proceed. However, in creating those kind of prompt or navigating those kind of feature, you need to have an upgrade account or upgrade to Pro in order to use this kind of feature. But basically, the purpose of this Canvas editor is to give user a greater control over the final design by providing tools for adjusting layouts, adding or modifying text, inserting an images, changing colors, resizing elements, and even enhancing overall visual appearances, instead of generating an image and using separate design software. You can navigate on the left side panel the editing tools, such as to add a stock images in here. And as you can see, we have here 0 credits to use, so you need to have some of this Pro plan in order to navigate those kind of feature or to run an AI prompt in here. But basically, once you already have a Pro account, all you need to do is simply enter here the prompt and also start choosing the right model for you. By clicking this one, it will show you in here either charcoal, on art, and many more. So from here, basically, this Canvas editor is particularly useful for creating marketing materials, social media posts, presentations, and even a branding asset, as it combines AI-generated content with manual design customization, in which this kind of feature help user produce professional quality visuals that better match their specific needs and preferences as well. So as you can see on the left side panel, you can navigate here a variety of options. However, you must have again a Pro account to use as a credit. As you can see, we can even create here a mock-up images for some of the product that we are selling, and many more. We have here card and invites, a poster and here, and many more, mobile icon, and even book cover. While on the right side panel, you have here an option to choose either frame settings, to navigate here, change some of the layout, project title, and even add it to our folder in here, creating or using some of the templates that can be found in here, and many more. And adding an elements such as a shape, line, and even adding, or if you want to draw, we have here a different kind of brush and color for it. Adding a text also is also navigating on the right side panel, and many more. So basically all of these are pretty much accessible under this canvas editor section. You can even upload a photo from your computer files if you want to. Now going back in here under the homepage section, it will show us in here. For example, we're going to use the Stockimg categories, which is in creating a logo, which is this one. By clicking on it, you can start describing what you want to generate from scratch. You can even choose a kind of color palette that you prefer, and many more. Alternatively, you can start editing the images, for example, this kind of images or templates. You can describe your edit if you want to, which is basically what it must look like after editing it. So for here, I'm going to simply enter change text into brandy wall, which is basically, for example, the logo I want to create. You have here option to choose the style or the quality, which is 1K, 2K, or even 4K resolution in here. However, again, you must have a pro account in order to generate the images in here, since it is not offered for free. But basically, this logo option enables user to create a unique and professional logo design using artificial intelligence. By simply entering here the company name, brand description, industry, and design preferences, users can generate multiple logo concepts with seconds. And they can even add here or create a social media, marketers, ads, creative, video, avatar, product photo, wallpaper, poster, infographic, and many more. All of these are pretty much accessible under this Stockimg AI. Aside from that, they also offer this kind of like ChatGPT chat assistant, in which by navigating this, it is designed to help users interact with the platform more easily through conversational prompts and AI guided assistance. The primary purpose of this is to simplify the content creation process by allowing users to describe their ideas, design requirements, or creative goals in natural languages. For example, as I enter a command or prompt generate a logo for my coffee shop name, Coffee, it will show us in here what kind of style we want to create, or it will ask us a variety of options in creating step-by-step process the logo. However, again, you must have an upgrade or a pro account in order to navigate this kind of feature to create the logo that we want. But basically, this Stockimg AI is important because it makes professional quality design and content creation more accessible, efficient, and cost-effective. By leveraging artificial intelligence, the platform enables users to generate logos, social media graphics, marketing materials, illustrations, and other visual assets within minutes, reducing the time and effort required for traditional design processes. And overall, that is just basically how you can use the Stockimg AI. Thank you.